Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making homemade gnocchi. This is so fun to make and don't be scared of it because it's super simple. So, let's start. We begin with boiling some potatoes in the skin until they are cooked and soft. Drain the water. And peel the potatoes when they are still hot. Just pull off the skin. Now mash them together with a masher or ricer or whatever you have available. Spread the potatoes on your kitchen surface to cool down. When the potatoes have cooled down, add 1 egg and some of the flour. You can always add more, but can't take anything out, so don't put everything in right away. Mix this together until a ball forms that isn't too sticky. Flour your work surface and cut a piece of the dough. Roll this out into a small tube and cut them into 3 cm pieces. They look a little bit like pillows. Repeat this for all your dough. You can use them like this, but I like to make a little imprint to make them more beautiful. So grab a fork and run each little piece over the fork with your thumb. The first one will be difficult, but eventually you will get the hang of it. Repeat this for all your pieces. When you are done shaping the gnocchi, boil some salted water and add the gnocchi to the water. When they rise to the top, they are done cooking and you've made your homemade gnocchi. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe and like this video and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos of me. And make sure to let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.